Hey guys, welcome to Techmates. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add end screen in your YouTube studio. This guide will take less than 2 minutes, so let's get started. First thing first, at the top search bar of your browser, type in youtube.com and then get logged into your specific YouTube account. You will see this create button right here. Select create, or you can also do it by clicking onto your initial. Select YouTube Studio. It will take you to the YouTube studio of your account. And here, select create. Let's go ahead and upload a video first in order for us to add a end screen. Select files. And now once done, you can see that this is going to be my video. You may go ahead, type in your title, description, your thumbnails and stuff. If you would like to add end screen, select video elements. And let's go ahead and fill out these requirements first. Then select video elements. You will see add a end screen. You can either add it like this. If you choose any of these options, like this one, at the end of your video, you will see this video which will be best for the viewers, which will be recommended to your viewers. But if not, you can also add another one. For that, let's go ahead and select another end screen. Again, select this import from video. And you can choose the video that you would like to add to your end screen. Now, if you would like to add some more videos, you can also choose this one, which will give 2 videos. The one is best for viewers, the one is most recent upload from your YouTube channel. I recommend you select most recent upload, which the user will see at the end of the video. And this most recent upload will be your video. And this is how you can do it, guys. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like and subscribe to Techmates. If you want a guaranteed answer to your question, join our Techmates membership. Members get priority responses onto questions and comments. The link is right down below.